Hi, I'm Colby Black, one of the founders and a managing partner at Newmind Technologies, where we develop AI tools for the modern business. I want you to take a second and think about the last time you received a business card. What did you do with it? Is it tucked away in a wallet? Or is it still stuffed in a purse, waiting to be rediscovered, or more likely, already misplaced? Think about the purpose of a business card. It was created in a world before smartphones and therefore is limited in its ability to communicate business information and services. It's usually just a name, a number, perhaps a job title next to a pretty logo. But what if you could include your presence with your contact information, along with the services you provide? What if your business card could interact with your customer, answer questions, or even schedule a meeting with you? At Newmind Technologies, we're revolutionizing this exchange. We can create a lifelike avatar from your photo and clone your voice, giving your first impression depth and dynamism. But it's not just about making connections, it's about building relationships. Our avatars can guide clients through services, powered by a knowledge base derived from your existing content interactively in a way that a business card never could. We aim to upgrade your website with written and spoken AI assistants, fine-tuned to your business needs. They're designed to generate leads, provide estimates, resolve service issues, and adapt to future possibilities we haven't even imagined yet, thanks to AI's evolving capabilities. Ready to turn a simple scan into a gateway of opportunity? For a demo or to enhance your business interactions, contact me at 713-882-7467